Guys, so I decided to do the tutorial on the tag system, tagging a bunch of label strings or whatever you want to call it. I'll show you a little samples what I have. This is a little project that I'm working on for myself. So like you say, you type, let's say, tag one, and then you'll come here, tag two, etc. You could delete it, whatever. So let's get to work. Okay, create a new project right here. So it's a single view application. Let's call this tag system. Okay, right here. So I'll be doing everything programmatically. I like better to program everything. For me, it's way better. So I'll go here. Then I go to the app delegate right here. So it's like wow. Window. Bounce. Right. The window. Make invisible, and then you could be like window. The controller equal this view controller right here. So you can like copy the name and paste it here. And if you run it, right here, it's gonna give me this because I didn't choose the new iPhone X. So let's turn it on, it's loading. You go, and that we get a black screen. Okay, so let's run. I prefer to run an iPhone X. So close this window. Yep. Let's run it right here. And okay, let's go also to which we don't want this. Okay, let's view the background color. Color the white, like white. So I've been working on this for my personal project. I was looking around and I couldn't find this, so here it is. We have the screen. So okay, we could start working on it. So first thing, let's create a custom UI collection view and a view. So let's do the view first, right? Custom view. So view, go UI view. So let's view the background to the third bottom. I like to pick weird color, and this is supposed to go here. It's supposed to go right here to make sure this. Then let's create a function. So set up properties, and paste it. So func. Go. Oh, you're missing the equal sign right here. I'm trying to do it fast because I know this is so much time consuming for you guys. So we also have to do this too, so we could use the iOS constraints. So equal to false. So we could be like view dot sub view custom view. Then we could say like custom view dot height. Just start right here. Strength or let's say 300. You could whatever height you want. I'm not just to do 300 for no reason. Custom view dot width anchor constraint. Yeah, let's do view. Let's do 200 as well. Is active equal true. Don't forget this because if you forget, it won't work. I could show you an example later on. Let's make this to 400 so we can make it kind of like a little square. And then let's place it in the center of the screen. So center x, the constraint is equal to, looking for this one, constraint the view the center x, that's active, equal true. Then let's place it exactly in the center of the screen, and center y. Constraints, I could use type it, then equal to the then view the center y. I'm gonna leave this one like this so you guys can see. Let me see what happens. Let's run it. I like to run my code as I go. That way I always know that it's working and everything's properly. You see, so it's right here. This part's working, but this constraint right here is not working. So if I put dot is active equal to true, then let's see what happens. There you go. So we got the first one done. I mean, now what should we do? Let's create a collection view, right? We need a collection view, so let collection view collection view. I don't know, I like to create all my properties like this. I don't know why. Let's see equal. C is for collection view. So you want collection view. Then with frame dot 0. And then you want collection view. Okay. CV dot trans CV. Right. This one space. So equal to false, and this CV dot background color. Let's call it the equal to what? Yellow. That way we know where we at. So if we come here, let's create some space. Yeah, like it that way. So we could do a custom view dot asset view collection view, then collection view dot with anchor constraint. We could say it is equal to. Could use constraint equal to. We could say custom with anchor that is active equals to true. Then put the collection view dot height. The constraint could be height. Let's say I don't know. Let's make it 100. True, and then collection view dot, which is if you say left anchor constraint go to custom view dot left anchor that's active equals to true, and same thing for the right. So that way it spans from the one corner to the other corner. Yeah. Right anchor constraint to custom view the right anchor constraint that is active true, and let's run it and see what's going on. So, okay, we have that collection view right here. It's yellow because we're oh, because we don't have it in it. We haven't specified where the top. Otherwise, it should be the top anchor. Say constraint equal to custom view dot top anchor that is active equal to true. But we could do the same thing. I mean, if we want to use this center X and center Y, this will center exactly in the middle, right there. So you see, it placed it on the top. Okay, so now We have the height. Okay, we have the width. We have everything now. Collection view. Okay, now we need to create this UI collection view. That again, and UI collection view. Oh, UI collection view data source. Okay, so let's create another function. It's the color setup collection view. This will be called right here, and then we just be like collection view dot data source equal self collection view dot that again equal to self. Okay. Now we have this. We have to create another property, the text field, so and the button let text field, text field, text field. Supposed to be an equal sign right here. And that's what happens when you're trying to type fast. TF. So you want a text field. Return TF. Okay, TF should have a placeholder. So just gotta type something. TF should have, let me see, should create a layer dot border color equal to UI color. Right here, the black and the okay, and then TF should have border width as well. Layer the width equal to 1, and TF should be translated to equal to false. Now that we're here, let's create a submit button. Let btn, it's a UI button. I mean, if you want, you create this just like this, just like a regular button as well. And then like that, and it will still work the same. So we could just be like, okay, forgot to put the equal sign right here, and this that will work just normally, and then I'll be like, okay, custom view dot subview, so submit button, and then the color with anchor dot equal to, let's give it a width of 100, that is active equal to true, then submit button dot height dot constraint, let's give it a height of 40, that is equal to active equal to true, just place it in the center, so horizontally by the center X. To view the center X, this active. Oh, I have a capital O right here. Okay, it's active equal to true, and then so the bottom anchor to constraint equal to custom view the bottom anchor. That's equal to true. Now the thing why if when you do the button like this, then you gotta do everything else here or somewhere else. I don't know if you want to create a function or whatever, but you have to be like submit button dot equal to false and submit button dot set title to submit dot normal, then submit button set title color, let's set it to black, normal. Let's run this. See what happens. I got an error. What's going on? Ah, yeah. Okay, let's do this. Let's do that to them. So it's a number of item section, return 0. Then number and cell for row that index pass. So let's create this cell right here. Let's say equal to collection view. Let's dequeue cell usable identifier. Let's call it cell ID. We're gonna create that cell ID right now. Okay, we'll just go here and copy and paste it. I always like to create mine private. Like copy and then equal to same thing, and then highlighter. There you go. Okay, and here's for index path. And let's return cell. Okay, we have to collection view the register. We have to register the cell class. So you write collection view cell. There's one right here. Dot self. Because if you don't do this, it's gonna crash. And just copy the same cell ID right here, and let's run it and see what's going on. Okay. Let me see. Data source, okay. That's what it's saying. Declaration. I have in the forum section, so from that. Okay, real quick, let's try to run this and then I'll get back to this. Do you see the button right here? So this button too, we could just be like, yeah, this is gonna be button, right? Then you go like type of one. Now you put like system. And let's keep our button, so the button, the layer, the width, border width equal to 1, and submit the layer, the border color, equal to one color, the black, then two, we're supposed to add now the text field as well. So right here, if you want, we can push it a little bit up. Bottom width, so I think it's just constant. So say minus, let's say 12 for now. Oh, now that I'm here, I should just finish this. The name text field, okay. Custom view the text field with anchor string. Let's give it the same width as the collection view. So the collection view dot with anchor. So that way it will span just the same side. We could just do the same thing that we did. Let me see here, like left and right, and we'll still do the same thing. So that is active, so equal to true, then text field. That see to how high we want. Let's give it a what? 40. Yeah, that's active. True and text field. Let's spawn the top anchor. We want to put it underneath the collection with a string. It's right here. You see the one that I'm always using as a constants? Yeah, let's use this one right here. If you notice it, it's a built-in function. That's what I just write it sometimes. So let's do it here. Let's do give it 12 below the collection view. You'll see wow. So the collection view dot bottom. Okay. Let me see how that works. Can we give this a little background color? Yeah, it's better to see it. Background and color and the green. I know I'm using so weird colors, but it's the way of how I like to develop that way. I always know where my stuff is. You see, so it's all the way over here. Okay, you see? Why? Because it's supposed to be placed on top of the collection view. Oh, where's my text view? Okay, oh, where's my tab anchor collection? I have this one set up. The height is should be height is given. This custom view is the width, the height. Okay, custom view right. The height is 40 and the top, the bottom. So, okay, so let me see something. Put center Y. I'm wondering what I'm missing. Let me try this and see why. I'll have to control this. Where's my tab? Doesn't do. Oh, I don't have this one. That's why. You see, that even happens to me. I try to do this so fast and I forgot to put this active right here. Let me see now. So I'm like, that's why I was looking around and I'm like, hey, what's going on? Like, thinking, what am I missing? You see now it's here. So we could just say text field, right? Let's center it. You see, so right here is 12 and this 12 right here. Didn't give it that space, didn't give it in between. So let's center it to the middle of that collection view. So we can just do like this, text field, right? The center X string anchor string equals la 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 la. Yeah, let's use this one because I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. So it could be collection view the center X. As right now, let's do a 0 and you guys will see. So the center X. That is active. I almost forgot again. No, I think the Apple isn't supposed to have this by default. But to true. You see how this is corner to corner exactly the same exact width of the collection view. So if I put here, like let's say, if I want to take for this side and for this side, that should be 8 minus 8, or it should be 8 and 8, or let's say 12. Let's do minus 12 because I'm using 12. So you guys will see how it will shrink a little bit. Oh no, my bad. I'm supposed to use this, not here. I'll copy this, my bad. Because I forgot, yeah, when I center this, it's just moving because I'm using center instead of using this. It's supposed to be in the width. That's what it's supposed to be. See, my bad. I make mistakes. Okay, you see, right here. That's where it is. The evaluation be right here, is right here, and this is right here. So I think we should leave it right here, and then because I don't want to extend the video too long, then I'll do the next part as soon as possible. And from here, I'll show you guys how to build the last. We just have a couple more minutes, a few more steps on it, and that's it, you know. So remember to hit that subscribe button. Remember to like it. If you have any comments or anything, please let me know. If there's a tutorial or something you would like me to do, please let me know. I try my best to do it. And I'm always like posting video of things that I have trouble finding information around or that I see is challenging. So I decided to share the information with you guys because I know a lot of you guys are passing through the same situation as me. You know, I mean, we all, as developers, we always run into challenges like this. So I'm glad if you liked the video, hit the like button, remember to subscribe, and see you next time.